Welcome back to Wonder Boy. We're going to talk about this goat right here. So basically, he always come out for sweet feeding. He breaks out because he tried to hit the door with his feet. And that's how he comes in here. Let's show you how he got out. So I catch him by his bear, and I hold on tightly. So he won't move, I can move him. So let's put him back in this cage. So he always try to come out for sweet feed. Well, we're gonna put it back in the pen that he was. What the other rabbits don't. All that. This is how he got out. He broke the gate, but I don't know how he broke it. And here's the other rabbit goat. Basically, he kicked the gate. He kicked it like this to open it and then come out. And he keeps coming out. And he wants sweet feeding. And I don't know why he keeps coming out. But I want you to do this. Like and subscribe to this video. Peace out.